Hello kids, today we will learn multiplication. Multiplication is just adding the same numbers many times. Examples:
3 groups of 2 candies each.
2 times 3 means 2 added 3 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal to 6. That is 2 3s are 6. 4 baskets with 3 apples each. 4 times 3 means 3 added 4 times. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equal to 12. That is 4 3s are 12. Here are some cool multiplication tricks. Multiply by 1. Any number multiply with 1 equal to same number. Examples: 6 1 ja 6, 13 1 ja 13. So any number multiply by 1 stays the same number. Multiply by 5. Answer always end with 0 or 5. Examples: 5 2 ja 10, 5 5 ja 25. Count by 5s: 5, 10, 15, 20, etc. Multiply by 2. Just add the number to itself. Examples: 6 2 ja equal to 6 plus 6 equal to 12. 9 2 ja equal to 9 plus 9 equal to 18. Multiplied by 10. Just add 1 0 at the end. Examples: 4 10 ja 40, 8 10 ja 80. Multiply by 9. Hold up 10 fingers. Examples: 9 4 ja. Bend the fourth finger. Fingers before 3, fingers after 6. Answer is 3 6. That is 9 4 ja 36. Multiply by 0. Any number multiply with 0 equal to 0. Examples: 5 multiply with 0 equal to 0. 100 multiply with 0 equal to 0. Break it trick. Break big number into smaller ones. Examples: 6 is multiplied by 14. Its bigger number is 14. So break it 14 as 10 plus 4. So 6 is multiplied by 10 plus 4. 6 is multiplied by 10 equal to 60. 6 is multiplied by 4 equal to 24.
60 plus 24 equal to 84.
6 14 ja 84. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Kids School Bag.